Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This split level home, which is located in Mandeville, comprises on the main entrance a sunken living room, dining room, kitchen with a breakfast counter and washroom. Down a couple of stairs is a flat consisting of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, 1 powder room, living room, dining room, and kitchen. This flat can be accessed also directly from outside as it is separated from the main floor by a grill. Up a couple of flights of stairs rest the main living quarters, comprising a master bedroom with walk-in closet, ensuite bathroom, and an enclosed porch. Additionally, there are 2 other bedrooms and 1 bathroom. All upstairs bedrooms are carpeted, and the land area is approximately 11,979 square feet. Some other features of this house includes wall-to-wall carpet, ceramic tile, garden area, water tank, grilled, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced, family-oriented, quiet area, and paved road. The asking price of this house is Jamaican 29 million or US $188,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave your comments and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.